Alright guys, something a little different for my channel. I have been prolonging using this carpet cleaner. It is from Easy Home. Don't mind that mail up there. And instead of trying it on my full carpet, I'm going to try it on this area rug because it's white and I'll be able to really see if it works. I bought some Resolve Ultra Clean, you say machine formula, deep cleans, tough stains, permanently eliminates odors. And I am about to try it. I didn't purchase it, so I don't know what the price is, but if I find it on Amazon, I'll and that's just an unboxing I'm about to do later. I will post it in the link down below. But many of us have like these area rugs in our house or in our office, and so I just want to try and clean it. So let's see how it goes. All right, so the first thing I did was took off the cord and reading the instructions. It doesn't really vacuum to remove loose dirt, shake bottle before using. It says pre-treat, but I'm not going to pre-treat. Do not mix with bleach. Great. Safe on wool, nylon, stain-resistant carpet. This is tested hidden, but listen, I ain't got that much time. I'm about to do it, and if it don't work, guess what? I'm still going to post it up. Pull it up. So the first thing I need to do is take this back off. So I have a screwdriver, and that's what's going to... Wait, do I have to? No. Never mind. All right, so let me do that again. Let me do that one more again. All right, so the video I watched wasn't specifically for, well, it was for the Easy Home, but apparently it was another model. So here is the handle. So I'm just going to push that up. Of course, I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. And let's see. I want to push it up and pull it out. And this is what I'm going to put my soap and water. It says do not overfill, but it's upside down. So what is the overflow mark? Is it here or is it here? I don't know, but all right. So is this where we put the soap in? So this little thing down here is where I don't know. Oh yeah, all right. So this all comes out. You can put your soap and your water in here. So I have a pitcher of water that I grabbed from the kitchen, and I'm gonna pour my soap in. And it's not gonna matter if I make a mess because I'm about to clean it up anyway. All right, so, and I already started with the mess. Let's see what this does. That's good, right? I don't know. Don't have no measurement. We do have another rug to clean, so. All right. So I just put a little bit, didn't measure, but I'm assuming that is about like a quarter cup of, I am not a professional cleaner. I'm just doing this because it's snowing outside and I took off and I'm about to do this. So I am just gonna fill it up with water from this pitcher. And I put hot water. I'll just leave it right there. I put hot water in here because one is white. I wash my white clothes in hot water. So so if I turn it upside down, can the water still, oops. I turned it upside down, y'all, and it went all over my hand. All right, so let's turn it upside down into the actual doohickey. There we go. So it's in there. All right, now my hands are wet. So I had to go dry them off so I can plug them up. Do not plug up electrical appliances with wet hands, okay? If y'all didn't know, now you know. All right, and so my power button is right here. So I'm going to turn on the power button and we're gonna get started. I think I am. I didn't show you guys is there is a handle in here. There's a button that releases all the shampoo and stuff. So I figured now was the best time as ever to try out this carpet cleaner because we just moved our Christmas tree and took it downstairs. Do not judge us. It is not yet Valentine's Day, so as long as I get it down before Valentine's Day, I feel like I'm pretty good to go. Now you see I struggled with the edge of the rug a little bit here, and I just kept pulling it down. So as I'm going over it, I actually did not vacuum. Did I vacuum the rug first? No, I did not vacuum the rug first. I think I just shook it out, and then as I proceeded to wash it with the cleaner. So the edges get a little pulled, and I don't know if it's just because of the type of material or fabric that the rug is made out of, but it gets better as I go along. And I'm not doing too much pushing or pulling. So it's still kind of hard to tell if it's cleaning because now the rug looks wet. So it has darker spots from the wet spots, but I can see it coming through the window, and I'll show you the window a little bit later on in the video. The carpet cleaner that I use smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells really good. So there's a plus for me right there. So once I see how this results, then I will work on doing the rest of the carpet in the house after I finish cleaning up Christmas. So that's why you see a whole lot of junk, because we moved a lot of stuff. We pulled some stuff back up and we're taking some stuff back down. But I wanted to do this portion of the rug before I did anything. You see that where it has lightened up quite a bit. So I guess when my son is using it, he's mainly like in the middle. It's right here. And the rug is wet, and you can smell the solution, and it smells really good on the carpet. Smells really good. The rug is damp and it's almost out of water. So what I'm going to do before it gets out of water is I'm going to test a little bit on my actual rug. All right, so I turned the camera around so that you can see how the water is flowing through that front bank. I'm not sure what it's really called, but you can see how it is dirty coming through there. This is my front entrance. As you can see, I still have Christmas on the side, so I'm not yet done moving everything. And I did vacuum my rug this area prior to starting to vacuum. So it's picking up a lot of dirt from when we walk in the house. We do take our shoes off, but sometimes it gets on the area rug here. Alrighty, so the one thing I don't know is how long does it take, and this is just about empty. It's just about empty in here. And I don't know how long it takes for the rug to actually dry. So I could get a fan to air dry it. And I do have a fan up here actually. So I may just get an air fan, dry the rug, just this part so I can see how long that it may take. Or I should just let it air dry and maybe check it in about 2 hours. So we'll come back in 2 hours. I'll set the timer for Siri to let me know when 2 hours is up. And I'll check and see how it looks then. All right, guys, so it is almost about 2 hours later. And the rug is still, and don't mind the dust, my Christmas tree was over there and we're still moving Christmas decorations. So it's still damp and it did not go through. It's still damp, but it is lighter. My son noticed right away and it was in his little office. So I am pleased with it thus far. It's just a matter of how long is it actually going to take? How long is it actually going to take to dry? So, yeah, so I think this Easy Home carpet cleaner is a bonus. So I'm glad I got to use it. Yeah, so this gets an A+ in my book. I will be using this carpet cleaner more often. I am loving how the rug turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is different from my channel, but thanks for hanging in there. Let me know if you use a carpet cleaner or if you actually hire someone to come in and do it. And if you have any points or tips, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below. Ciao for now.